What's up, guys, and welcome back. So, I think we can all guess on what's about to go down here. Yes, that is right. Today we are putting on the Pandem or Rocket Bunny kit on our 201 190E. So we already have our holes pre-drilled, obviously, on the actual kit itself. So now what we have to do is tape the fenders up to the car, and then I have this really nice little punch right here, so that way I'm not going to be obviously drawing on the car, making a mark, doing all this. Kind of skips a step, and it helps a lot. We're going to go ahead and punch the car right now. Alright, so we're doing the body kit. I moved the car from over there to over here because it started raining. But this side is definitely fitting 100 times better than that other side. I mean, it's practically perfect. This is going to need zero modification or adjustments. I obviously have to screw it in there and there. I just need a jack really quick. But yeah, this side definitely looks better than the other side. I mean, the front fenders are almost identical with zero modification needed. Almost exactly the same in the front and in the back. But over here, still, I don't know if you could tell, but this gap is a little lower than this. So the body line looks a little off in my opinion. I guess you can't really tell on the camera, but I could see it in person. Not only that, but I'm going to need to cut it and adjust it because I'm touching here and then I'm not touching here. And I know that this one is on properly because, I mean, my gaps are about the same all the way around. Just, I'm going to have to redo putting this one on, unfortunately. But yeah, the front fits practically perfect. It needs, like I said, almost no modifications. And then the bumper pieces look amazing. They fit great. I mean, my gaps are flawless there. Now we're going to be doing this one here. Hopefully we can get it right the first time, unlike the other side. Then we're going to be done putting it on, and I guess we'll be test fitting the wheels. So, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so check this out. We have that quarter fender back on. Well, I guess this would be a door quarter fender. I don't really know what would be the correct term. But check it out. Our gaps around this are completely perfect, unlike the other side, obviously. Our lines all match up pretty dang nice. And the gap between this entire piece is exactly the same. So this side came out perfect, but check out the wheel fitment on this thing. This is aggressive. Almost too aggressive if you ask me. The front is practically perfect. Like, check this out. Right here, if you put the wheel down, it is sitting right against that lip. So the front is on fire. The front is perfect. I don't think it needs any adjustment, but man, that rear is really, really wide. Look at that. I think I'm going to have to do a little camber. I went ahead and adjust this side just a little bit. I don't know if you could tell, but you don't really see the lip as much. Or I guess the tire, all you see is the lip. I apologize. But yeah, that looks so much better, I think. And then again with this side, the lip would literally be sitting right on that. So I don't know if I would want to go with air ride, coilover setup, just keep the stock springs. I mean, I think it sits pretty dang good as it is, if I'm being honest, but everything could always have a little bit of an improvement. So I guess we'll see what happens with that. Secondly, what do you guys think I should do? Go ahead and post a comment down below. Do you think we should paint it? Do you think we should put a livery on it? Do you think I should just go ahead and fix up this paint? Obviously, our hood is faded, our roof is very faded, and then our trunk is starting to get faded in a few places. So the car's going to need a paint job or a wrap or something done. Do you think that we should keep the same color? Do you think that we should change the color? Do you think that we should wrap it? What do you guys think? So this is the color of the interior, to give you guys a little bit of an idea and a thought. The interior is really nice. Zero rips, tears, or anything. Dash is also all perfect. This wood piece right here, I do have a new one for it, I just haven't put it in yet. But yeah, go ahead and drop, I guess, a comment down below. Let me know what color you think I should do, and if I should wrap it, if I should paint it, if I should just keep it the same color. Because I really, honestly guys, I don't know what to do. I'm kind of at a loss at the moment. I was thinking about doing it all white, even the wheels, and then do like all the accents and everything black, and then kind of make it look like a stormtrooper. If you know me, you know I'm a huge Star Wars fan, but yeah, I was kind of thinking about doing something like that. And then I was kind of thinking about just fixing the paint and making it all the stock original color, just with these crazy wide fenders. So yeah, I have no idea what to do. But again, thank you guys so much for watching and following along with all of our builds. The next one that we're going to be doing on this channel, obviously, after we figure out the paint and everything with this, we'll probably keep it like this for a minute, is this bad thing over here. So we did just get our back bumper for it. So this guy's going to stop looking so ugly here pretty soon. As you can see, we have our 500E fenders, and we have a bunch of goodies in the trunk. So check this out. This is just going to be a little sneak peek for you guys that actually follow along the whole video. But look, we have our side skirts, front bumper, back bumper, new Euro headlights, tail lights, full aluminum radiator, quarter panels. We have everything ready to go, as well as obviously the 500D front fenders. And we did just get a hood, so now this thing isn't hoodless anymore. But we'll be working on this thing here pretty soon, tearing into this, having some fun with it. I can't wait for this project, if I'm being honest. I think this is probably going to be one of my favorite ones, other than my Evo 1, that yes, you guys will be seeing. Unfortunately, I still haven't been able to paint my hood because it has been 500 degrees outside, but that's besides the point. Again though guys, thanks for following along. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.